Friday, 10th week of Ordinary Time. Gospel Matthew chapter 5 verses 27 to 32. In today's Gospel, Jesus rereads the commandments. You have heard that you shall not commit adultery. But I tell you, everyone who looks at a woman lustfully has already committed adultery with her in his heart. Jesus seeks the spirit of the law, does not limit himself to the letter. The objective of the commandment is reciprocal fidelity between man and woman, who assume life together as a married couple. Jesus explained this commandment with focus on love, on fidelity, on mercy, on justice, and on truth. When we follow the will of God, we will receive fullness of life. Our senses are the gateways to our soul. So, we need to stop our enemies at the gate. This is why Jesus urges us to take drastic steps to trap and cut whatever is the attraction makes us to fall into sin. They must plucked out and cut off and thrown away. We need to take effective steps to keep away from attraction of sin. In today's gospel, Jesus warns against three ways in which we sin. First, we sin with our thoughts. Lust is the mother of adultery. Lust can lead to adultery. We must be careful what we look at, what we think about. We must understand the temptation to sin with our thoughts. Second, we sin with our action. We should go through extreme measure to rid ourselves of sin and pursue holiness. We must turn from sin and turn to God. Third, we sin in our relationship. Jesus says adultery is sin against God and man. Divorce is the sign of broken relationship caused by sin. Lust is sinful. Adultery is sinful. Divorce is sinful. Sin can break our relationship in the family, in workplace, in friends, in our church. Sin can divide, but God can heal us. Let us ask God to heal our heart and our families and our societies. Peace and the grace of God be with you.